I think dolphin have. Did you know? That's why dolphin like it gone.
Mm.
And head. It's only one.
What's that, baby? Show me. What's that?
That. No, it don't have different types of different.
Different types of what is this? What is this?
No, it have only different.
That is a whale.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is also a whale.
And that's a tortoise.
That is a dolphin.
And it's a dolphin.
Mm.
Hey, cats have different. Oh, look, dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Hey, Davin, can you teach me this page? What's happening in this page? Can you teach me? Like so many types of whales. I'm so confused.
Wait.
Not this. This page. This page I want, baby. This page. See? So many whales here.
Did you know? See, this one have mouth.
Oh.
See? See, that's down of it. So see it?
Oh.
Oh, down of it. Down of it. Okay.
Can you show me the first page with a lot of whales, baby? Here, show me.
First page is this page now.
No. I want to learn this. Where is that page, baby? This one.
So, no.
Can you show me what is this, David?
Hey, it was not that now. I show you.
Okay, you show me. Show me. I want to learn.
Okay, I'll show you. First, this one is octopus.
Okay, thank you.
And this one is the guy. Guy have to swim in the water.
The guy swimming in the water?
Yeah. And guy have no bubbles.
Why he's got bubbles? No bubbles, baby?
No, guy don't have no bubbles.
Oh, everybody have bubbles in the water?
Yeah. Only everybody. And me too.
You too have bubbles in the water?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And only this guy cannot have bubbles.
Okay. What is this? Show me everything. I want to learn. Teach me.
Oh, what is it? Papa.
That's Papa. Okay, you continue teaching. I want to learn.
This one is.
That is what?
What is that? Tell me.
You tell me.
Tell me what is that?
That is orange fish.
Yeah, and what is this? Orange fish.
Okay.
And then guy.
Ah.
Guy is gonna hit it. He's gonna hit his leg.
Oh my God.
And teeth.
Who's gonna eat its leg?
Teeth.
Whose teeth eating his leg?
Teeth. Bat's teeth. Bat teeth. No.
Brush teeth?
Yes, bat teeth.
Who is brushing teeth? What is this?
This one is brushing teeth. This is brushing teeth.
No, Davin. What is this?
Wait.
It's a whale? What
no,
is
what
that?
is it? What is it? Whale.
Whale.
And whale.
Whale.
And what is it?
Orange fish.
No, dolphin.
Oh, okay.
Dolphin.
Okay.
What is it? Dolphin.
Okay.
And fish.
Okay.
What is that fish color?
Fish called Ivan.
Tell their mummy.
I will tell.
Davin, look here, please.
Hey.
Okay.
Let's first.
And what else do you see there?
And what is it?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, tell me what is it?
I think it's a pink fish. I don't know. Maybe it's a pink fish.
Yeah. Maybe it's pink fish?
Okay.
Yeah.
And what else is there, baby? So many things. What is this?
Tell me. Which one is?
That is pink fish.
That is yellow.
Yellow?
Yeah.
No, it is pink fish.
Hey, yellow there, no.
Pink also there, no?
Wait, I will say. Yellow fish, no.
No, pink fish with yellow dots. It is.
Yes, with yellow dot.
Yeah. Then what else is there? What is this thing? Teach me.
Hey, I teach you that.
What is that?
Where is time?
Show me what is
Hey,
that.
where is that, no? I'll tell you. Where is it? Hey, where's your beat? I am gonna bite.
Oh, it is written there what?
I am gonna bite.
Oh,
Yeah.
it is written there. I'm gonna bite, yeah?
And it's. Oh no. And what is this one? I wanted Joe.
Oh, so scary, Devin. I'm scared.
Violet, so happy.
Whale is so happy, it says?
Yeah.
Oh.
And I am not so happy
You are not happy. Why, baby?
because I am not happy.
Why?
And I am happy.
Okay. Okay,
Hey,
say
look, WW.
that is WW? Correct.
And now other pages.
Other pages, okay. Can you recognize these letters here? Can you recognize these letters?
Okay. What is this first?
First one, I don't know. You tell me.
You tell me.
I don't know. You teach me.
That is G.
Z. Okay.
And what is it?
That is Shokal.
No, I'll try. That's O.
Oh.
O.
Oh.
G.
Okay. You mean two
What
O's?
is it? What is it?
That's
J.
J. Really? That is T.
And what is it?
I don't know.
1.
One. Correct.
And what is this one?
I can't see. The veil is covering it, baby. See?
Really?
Yeah, the veil is covering it.
And what is it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So can you read it with sounds? Z, O, T, L, S, Z.
No. Where is whoa. Where is this one?
Hey, Davin, do you know all these letters here? No?
This letter.
What's this?
Whoa. Wait. Whoa, hold it. This one. I want to this one.
Say bye. Say bye.
I want to bite it. And because I am not happy. And wonderful, I am not happy.
Why the whale is not happy, Davin?
Because I am happy.
Okay, Davin, thank you so much. Thank you.
Me, no one named me.
You're angry with me?
I am more named me.
What?
More named me.
Huh?
ஏய் அனுக்குட்டி வீடு